Anping Goldflower Wire Mesh Factory is located in Anping, the hometown of Chinese wire mesh. More than 10 years of hard work and steady development. For more than 10 years, we have been pursuing dreams to come true. From a small processing plant to a modern large-scale enterprise specializing in the production of wire mesh products. Since its establishment, in order to meet the development needs of customers with increasing product requirement, it has successfully introduced the CNC machines, jacquard machines, and other advanced equipment. The production efficiency and quality are greatly improved, and it continuously improves product quality inspection requirement. A comprehensive quality inspection system has been formulated. The products are exported to the United States, Russia, France, Italy, Germany, Vietnam, and other countries. Quality is the core of products. Integrity, the principle of the factory. Price, our advantages and the business philosophy of mutual benefit and win-win are sincerely invited to cooperate with you.